Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. We are traveling to Goa and we left our house early in the morning at 5:30 am and we brought a lot of things to eat and we'll share with you in a minute. While leaving home, we only had a glass of water. So after catching the train, we were feeling hungry. So I just opened this box filled of muskmelon. I simply chopped muskmelon in a bite-sized pieces so it is convenient to eat on train, and I brought a fork to eat it. It is always good while traveling to carry fruits with you as they are rich in water and very healthy. As we were traveling in summer, so it is best to stay hydrated, consume fruits while traveling. For lunch, we brought sandwiches and bought a pouch of lassi from the train itself. Now, how I made these sandwiches? Let me show you. As our train was early in the morning, so I started the preparation a night before. I finely chopped yellow bell pepper, red bell pepper, green capsicum, onion, carrot. Now let's start the recipe. Take a wok or a pan, heat 1 tablespoon of ghee, or you can use olive oil or the oil of your choice, and simply I'm using fistful of peanuts and roasting them until they are light brown. When they are done, remove them on a plate and use the remaining ghee for the stuffing. Add cumin seeds to it, then add onion. Fry onion till it is slightly brown, or it totally depends upon you how much fried onion you like in your recipes. I like it slightly brown, so I keep stirring it for a few minutes. Now it's done. I'm adding carrots to it, and the heat is medium. We don't want to cook vegetable fully, we want a crunch in a vegetable. Now I will add a salt according to my taste. I'm using 1 tablespoon of salt over here. Now I'm going to add green capsicum, red capsicum, yellow bell pepper all together. Bell peppers need not to cook longer, just for a few seconds. We'll stir continuously after a few seconds. After a few minutes, I'm going to add ginger powder, coriander powder, and little bit of garam masala to it. It is optional, you can add spices according to your taste, and yes, I added little bit of green chili powder also. Stir it, let it mix completely. Switch off the flame and your stuffing is ready. Let your stuffing cool down completely, then fill it in a box, and I have crushed the peanuts. Now keep this filling in refrigerator for the next morning. Whenever you buy bread from market, never look for whole wheat bread because whole wheat bread contains some percentage of refined flour. Always look for multi-grain with 100% whole grain. If you will look at the ingredients, I don't know if you are able to read it or not. Let me say aloud for you. This contains whole wheat flour, soy flaxes, sunflower seeds, flax seeds, melon seeds, sesame seeds, rolled oats, ragi flour, and wheat grain flour. These are whole grains, so don't look for whole wheat bread, look for multigrain bread with 100% whole grain, or you can only look for whole grain. It is much healthier. Taste of this bread is good. There is no much difference and it looks like this. So we are ready to go to bed. Next morning, after waking up, we toasted our bread. If you want, you can skip this step and simply use bread and stuff it. After toasting breads, I let them cool down because the stuffing I'm using here is cold, which I made last night. So I don't want my sandwich to go tasteless while I'm traveling. So cold stuffing with cold breads. Do remember this. Now I'm using 4 types of sauces here. Yes, I like it spicy. Green chili sauce, red chili sauce, tamarind sauce, and a little bit of ketchup. And I'm spreading this on one slice of bread evenly. On the other slice though, I'm using mustard mayo. I love this one. So spread it evenly. Now I will fill the stuffing as much possible. It could be to contain between these two breads. Then I'll sprinkle crushed peanuts over the bread. I liked it crushed. If you want, you can use whole peanuts. Definitely try this sandwich, guys. It is so crunchy, so tasty. Your sandwich is ready. After packing this, now it's time to enjoy while we are on train with some sweet lassi.
The flat horizon, leafless trees, there's nothing far, as you can see out here. You shiver like a wave.
Whenever traveling, it is very important to keep yourself hydrated. So here I am carrying with myself infused water. I prepared these water bottles a night before and kept them in fridge, and next day I simply grabbed them and took with me on this journey. They are very simple to make. Simply slice oranges or lemons and cut them, fill with water, and you're ready to go. After reaching Goa, we went straight to beaches, and in night we ate pizza and pasta in a restaurant. So that's it, guys. This was whole day of what I ate on this journey. If you like this video, please share it with your family and friends, and do let me know in comments how you liked it. Thank you very much for watching this. Do subscribe.
It's lost its flight when you lay down at night. Without a map, you chose your heart. Now we are one, but you're still far from home. So let me shake away the cloudy skies with the California lullaby. When you're frozen with desire, we'll put our toes up to the fire, and I will sing your care.